I was this close to giving up on everything. Not just a project, not just a goal, everything. And I'm not saying that for drama. I mean the kind of burnout where even getting out of bed feels like a fight you can't win. You ever feel like that? Like life just keeps piling on and you're silently screaming, I can't do this anymore. Yeah, that was me. Until I found one thing, one small shift that literally saved me. Let me be real with you. I tried all the fix your life hacks, the 5 a.m. alarms, the vision boards, the gym grinds, all of it. And guess what? I still felt like a fraud. The harder I pushed, the more I hated myself when I failed. And I failed a lot. I kept thinking, maybe I'm just lazy. Maybe I'll never change. Or worse, what's the point of trying if I always fall back? And the scary part, nobody knew how bad it was because on the outside, I looked fine. But inside, I was exhausted, angry, ashamed. Then one night, 2 a.m., I hit my limit. I sat there in the dark, staring at my phone, blank screen, blank mind. And I whispered, I can't do this anymore. But instead of quitting, I did something stupidly small. I put my phone down and I said, okay, just do one thing, not 10, not 5, 1. I filled a glass of water. That's it. That's all I did. Sounds ridiculous, right? But that one choice, that one tiny action broke the loop. Because here's what I realized. Change doesn't start when you feel ready. It starts when you prove to yourself. I still have a choice. That glass of water turned into brushing my teeth, which turned into making my bed, which turned into taking a walk. And the next day, I just repeated it. One tiny win, every time. No pressure, no overthinking. Just, what's the next smallest thing I can do? Most people think transformation comes from motivation, willpower, or some big breakthrough. But you don't need a breakdown to change. You need a pattern interrupt. When you're spiraling, don't plan your comeback. Just interrupt the fall. One tiny act of control in a moment that feels completely out of control. That's where the shift happens. You don't rebuild your life in a day. You reclaim it in seconds. So if you feel stuck, if you feel like nothing's working, if you're tired of breaking promises to yourself, start here. Pick one thing, stupidly small, so small your brain laughs at it. Then do it again tomorrow. It's not about changing your whole life. It's about showing yourself you haven't given up. Not yet, not today. And if you needed a sign, this is it.